2 to 3 years from now, EIS completely rolled out there, 5G's ubiquitous. What can we expect 2 to 3 years from now?
Yeah, well, right now, 5G adoption, it really is it really is still in its infancy with most enterprises. We're hearing about some great advances here, but we're just starting to see agencies buy 5G enabled devices, and the availability and coverage are still growing. Heard Brian mention earlier about the ecosystem, is catching up. So it's making big strides there, so some of the use cases we're hearing about now, they're starting to come into focus. And standalone networks, or SA, are just being deployed by some carriers, and then by other things. This is going to enable the introduction of network slicing. And Brian and I did not compare speaker notes beforehand, but we both see the significance of this. So some of the 5G capabilities, such as network slicing, coupled with SD-WAN and other technologies, that's going to enable enterprises and commercial telecom providers to cost effectively roll out new services. That can include managed security offerings. It will allow them to extend the managed services to home offices, mobile users, IoT devices, for a number of these use cases. In a government use case, for example, it could be used to backhaul the unclassified and classified voice data and video traffic. So really, we're still now just seeing the launching pad for many of these 5G use cases.